Hello and welcome to DevTest Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove DevTest Server and its related files from a Linux system. So during the uninstall process, two directories get removed. First, your Lisa home directory that contains all of your DevTest executables, and second, the main log files directory, sometimes called the Lisa temp directory. If you ever forget where these directories are located, you can find them from Workstation. So you can select Help, and then select Runtime Info, and this option displays a list of system properties including Lisa Home and Lisa Temp. And now that we have that information, I'll go ahead and close Workstation, and actually I need to shut down all DevTest components before performing the uninstall, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so all my DevTest components have been shut down and I'm ready to uninstall. So in this terminal window, you can see that I've already navigated to my DevTest install directory, also known as Lisa Home. Now I just need to run the uninstall executable in this directory. And that opens up the uninstall wizard. And on this first window, it's asking me to confirm that I do in fact want to uninstall, which I do, so I just click Next. And here we have a decision to make. So if you select this checkbox, the entire data directory and installation directory are deleted, along with all the files that are located inside those folders. So before you completely uninstall, it's a good idea to create a copy of these directories in case you need them in the future. I'm going to go ahead and select this option and click Next. And now the uninstall is running, and we'll wait for that to complete. And once it's complete, I can click Finish. And DevTest Solutions and its related files have been completely removed from this system. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for viewing it, and this concludes uninstalling DevTest Workstation on Linux. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to go to the CA Service Virtualization product page, and from there you can access product documentation, support, or communities, and see the available learning paths.